Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about exactly why you're not getting sales with your ads. So you've probably tried everything. You've searched YouTube, like you have tried many agencies and it's still not working. So today in this video we're gonna break down exactly why you're not getting sales and figure out how we can help you to get more sales. Also, before we start the video, if you guys don't know who I am, I'm Abdullah, one of the co-founders of Flows Marketing. We have helped more than 60 plus brands in rate from making $0 a month to making consistent 6 figures with your brand. If you guys will be interested, like we run the ads, email marketing, SMS marketing, all of the backend stuff. Like we handle every backend stuff about your brand. So if you guys will be interested in that, like just schedule a call with us down below and I'll personally hop on a call with you and see what we can do for you. Alright, so before we start this video, I just want to let you guys know that all I want from you guys is to find a really quiet place and listen attentively to what I'm about to tell you guys. Trust me, if you listen to all the things I'm about to tell you, like there's no way you're not gonna get sales with your brand, because I'm gonna tell you the exact problems why you're not getting sales and how you can fix that. So without further ado, let's just start the video. Alright guys, so I just loaded up the presentation as you guys can see. Alright, so the number one reason why you're probably not getting sales with your ads is because your product is just fucking shit. Like no matter how good your ads are, like no matter how good everything about your brand is, if your product is shit, like nobody's gonna buy it. Like no agency can save you if you have a bad product. So what I want you guys to do is go back, find a good designer, find a good manufacturer, and pay your designer well so that he can design a product for you. Like don't be stingy when you want to design the product. Pay someone well to design the product for you. Like happily for my clients, like I give them my private designer that designs for me, design for all of the big brands I'm working with, making more than $100,000 a month to design their stuff. So what I want you guys to do is just go on Instagram and find a good designer, or don't really trust that Instagram designers. Like go on TikTok, while you're scrolling you probably see a designer, then you pay that guy to design all of your shit for you. Trust me, don't be stingy when it comes to design. Like the design is the most important part. No matter how good your ads are, no matter how good your content is, like if your product is shit, nobody is gonna buy it. So take time on the design. Like find a good Chinese manufacturer, because also number one thing you guys need to know is that no matter how good your design is, if your manufacturer is shit, it's not gonna be able to bring it to life. So take your time and find a good manufacturer. So if you guys were working with me, I will have given you all of this shit for free. For my clients, we have specific graphic designers, manufacturers, like all of that shit if you're working with us to get it. So alright, so guys, after you have gotten your good product, no matter how good your product is, if you're not showcasing it well, nobody's gonna buy it, because you're the only one who's gonna see the details and everything. So you guys really need to stop playing with content, because no matter how good your product is, nobody is gonna buy it if the content is shit. So what I want you guys to do is pick 5 big brands. I don't mean like really big brands, 5 like mid brands that are big but I haven't reached that big spot, because if you're big you can do anything and sell. Find that mid-range brand, like go on their profile on TikTok, then tap the most popular videos and try to copy the exact same shit that they're doing, because it probably worked for them, then it will probably work for you. That's what I want you guys to do. Like look at the top 3 trending videos, then try to recopy that same shit for your brand. If it worked for them, it will probably work for you. And also, if you're looking for creatives, you can go on Ad Library. Instead of going on TikTok, you can go on Ad Library, search the brands that you want, and you can see the ads they're running with. I'm gonna show you guys. Alright, so guys, I'm in the ads library right here. As you can see, facebook.com/ads/library. Like you come here, then pick on the brand right here. As you guys can see, it's a really good video, and I'm pretty sure that this performed well on ads. So one ad, as you can see, this is a really good ad. So let me give you a little bit of more sauce. The number what you want to do is scroll down. As you can see, this ad started running on 19th November, which is probably a good ad. Try and copy the exact same thing that they did in the ad. Alright, so as you guys saw, this ad was running since 19th November. So that's probably a good sign that the ad was performed, because if the ad wasn't performing, they will have already turned it off by now. As you can see, this ad was started running since 14th January, so this ad is 100% a good ad. Alright guys, so I just wrote up one of my clients that we're working with personally, and I'm gonna show you an example ad. We are running it since 11th September and it's October 16 right now, so that's probably a good sign that it's a good performance, and I'm really sure that we made more than 20k with this ad alone, so really a good ad. Alright, so after you have gotten your content right, like the third thing that we're gonna try and fix, and probably the main reason why you're not getting sales, is because you have a shitty website. Alright, so let's go back from the beginning. Let's say you have a good product, your content is fire. So which means like if you have a good product and you're getting enough traffic from the content, like you have a good product and your content is fire, and you have a shitty website, like trust me, even if people hop on the site and hop on your page and they see that shitty website, trust me, they're scrolling away. Alright, so let me break this down in simple words for you guys. Imagine you see a shop on Instagram, then you decide to go and see in real life. Then when you go and see in real life, like there's no electricity, the shop smells, everything about the shop is just shit. Like, are you gonna buy from that shop? The answer is no. So if you probably have a shitty website, like that's one of the main reasons why you're probably not getting sales. Because like if you're sure that you have a good product and good content, then the next reason why you're probably not getting sales is because of your shitty website. Once again, happily for our clients, we have a full website development team for our clients. That we have a full website development team that works on their site 247. Like they hired 247 to do that shit. So that's also another reason why you're probably not getting sales, because your website is shit, why your conversion rate is low. Next thing is that your product page needs to look good, and also your checkout page needs to look simple, nothing too much. Alright guys, so this is an example of a good website and a bad website. As you guys can see, this is my website, van.us, and no hate to this clothing brand owner. Like the website looks good, but the product pictures doesn't look good, they look scrambled, as you guys can see. No hate to you, bro, like you're my guy, but you know this website needs a little bit of work. So compare it to like this website from van.us, which is my brand. As you guys know, as you guys can see, the product pictures are just flawless. As you can see, the product picture is flawless. Buy to get 10% off, like upsell. Like alright, so after you have fixed your shitty website, so your product is now fire, your content is now fire, also your website is on fire, like simple, you don't need all the animations, nothing like that. It's just a plain white site that you can't complain about. Everything about your website is good. The next thing is that you just don't know how to run ads. Like if you have a good website, good content, all of that stuff, and you're still not getting sales, and you're sure about your product, you're sure about your website, sure about everything about your brand, then you just don't know how to run the ads. That's just the fact. The one thing I want you guys to stop doing is you guys shouldn't be afraid to outsource people to people that are better than you at the stuff that you're doing. Like you guys shouldn't be afraid to outsource people to do all that stuff for you. Let's say you're bad at making graphic designs, like you're bad at designing products, you find a graphic designer that can do that stuff for you. Stop being stingy. Like all these big brands, they're not doing everything by themselves. Like they're outsourcing people that are better than them to do the stuff for them. That way they make more money and they pay people the money they need. If you don't know how to build a website, you can just hire someone to make the website for you, or just work with my agency and we'll do all that stuff for you. But your content is shit. Find a good model to do the stuff for you. Like find a good model and pay him to write the stuff and record the video. You can't hire someone to do that stuff for you, so hire someone to do that stuff for you. Also, you guys need to remember that you spend money to make money. Like you spend money to make money. All these big brand owners, that's the difference between you and them. Like they are spending more money than you. So if you don't have the knowledge, you hire people that have the knowledge to do the work for you. But you just gotta take your time and find people that won't cheat you and take away your money and just scam you. Like you need to take your time and find good people, because if you hire fucked up people, like they can fuck up your business. So take your time and find good people that can handle the business well. I have been doing this shit for a long time, so just don't know how to run the ads. So what I recommend you guys to do is, maybe if you guys don't want to hire an agency to do stuff for you, you just gotta go and learn that shit from A to Z. Take your time and learn that shit, which is really hard, but you just gotta do it in order to grow. I don't really want to glaze myself up. I don't think there's an agency better than us, but next thing is that you're not spending enough. Like you can't be spending 20 and then complain about you not getting sales. Like how is Meta supposed to optimize for sales with just $20? Like you are not giving Meta enough data. Like remember, you spend money to make money with Meta. It's not like organic where you post and stuff like that. You spend money to make money. So the smallest budget I think you guys should start with is around $30. The best budget you can start with is $50. Or if you're on a tight budget, you can start with 30. But personally for our clients, we start with 30 to 50. Alright, so let me give you one bit of source. So if you don't have enough money to run the ads, don't worry about that. I just start with $30. Then the money you get from the ads, which we generate back into the ads, then you're gonna print more with that money. But don't put the budget too much. It's better to let the ads run in for 5 days with a $30 to $50 budget, and then running for 4 days with an $80 budget that you can't sustain for that long, for more than 2 days. So it's better you spend 50 for 4 days than to spend 80 for 2 days. That's what I want you guys to know. So you guys just have to sometimes risk that and just kill the budget. Alright guys, so that's all for the video. Also, I'm taking 10 plus brands this Keyphone and scale them from 0 to 100 like I told you in the beginning. If you guys will be interested in that, like, just schedule a call with us down below and I'll personally hop on the call, or me or my brother, one of us. If you guys know, me and the brother run the agency and all that stuff, and also run this channel if you guys don't know. So if you guys will be interested in us scaling your brand and all, just schedule a call with us down below, and trust me, there's no agency getting better results than us. Like I've worked with brands that came from big agencies, which the agencies were scamming them, but trust me, around here we don't scam. So if you guys will be interested in all of that shit, also please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because I'm out here giving you the best results that you guys can get, but you can't even like the video and subscribe and comment. Like that's all for the video. Peace.